The frame. Yeah, you are absolutely right, Manish. Actually, in a branch like neurosurgery, it is always better to have two opinions because it is not 1:1 is not two, it is always 11. So, if you are operating a case for 6 hours, 8 hours, like we operate CP angle tumor, it is always better that somebody who can say that you do like this. So it increases your efficiency as a team member. It increases your efficiency as a group, and it is always good for the patient because here you have a advice. You are getting a advice of two people who are working together, and it is always good if you know each other. You have a good discussion. You can form a good strategy for a given patient. You can individualize the patient's treatment, and then especially in a post-operative care where we are operating a complex brain tumors. So in post-operative period, it's very good to have such a good team of neuroanesthesiologists and intensivists who can take care of post-operative period. So it has been really a wonderful journey in last 4 years. We have treated so many patients together, and it is always good for the patients.
I think along with the clinical part of it, we've become good friends also. So it is good to have a good interpersonal rapport amongst each other. We respect each other's decisions. In fact, we support each other, not only academically, clinically, but to become a better person also. So the USP of our team is that not only do we care for our patients, but we also take care of each other. Manisha, what do you say about this?
Yeah, that is correct and very important also. Because see, neurosurgery is very exhausting. Outcomes may be not always favorable, very stressing. So it is very important to stay together. It only not only decreases the work-related stress, but also improves efficiency, and that is all matters in ultimately improving patient's outcome. So it is not only just that we are working together for our own convenience, but also that it improves outcome in a very significant way. I have seen over so many years that the outcome of the patients who are taken care by different specialists who come together, join and make a team, the outcome improves. So improving patient outcome is the goal, and to achieve it, if we can form a team or we can work together in very harmonious way, then it is nothing like that. Moreover, medical field is so vast that one individual cannot cover everything. It is very even a specialty of neurosurgery. It is so vast that no doctor can claim or no surgeon can claim that he knows everything. So it is very important to go into subspecialties to cover a particular part of a disease or particular part of a procedure, and then coming together and joining and combining each other's expertise for better outcome, for holistic approach. So I think that working together is not only useful, but it is also very important and essential part of clinical practice in this era.
For example, like Manish, you remember that patient like we do for 8 hours surgery, 10 hours surgery. See, we are operating. At the same time, you need someone who can actually tell you, boss, this patient is not doing good or patient is doing good. So at back of the mind, you should be very comfortable operating. Say 10 hours surgery, it's a complex brain tumor surgery. There is no chance of going here and there. So your anesthesiologist should be you should have so much of trust in between yourself and your anesthesiologist that you can just keep your head into the operating microscope. You don't have to think what is happening to the patient, how is the blood pressure, what is there. And that can happen only when you have an extremely good anesthesiologist and you have a relationship of trust between the team. That's how it happens. I'll recall one incident with the permission of one of my friend. I was operating his father. He's a cardiac surgeon. And what happened? I was putting up the last screw in the spine, and it was a complex spine surgery. And suddenly, this my friend's father has no heartbeat. I didn't realize it.
I could have, even before I could realize that what is happening, Manish and Shivani was there, said, was stop, and they immediately turned up the patient on me. And fortunately, we were able to save that patient, complete the surgery, and the patient is walking. It gives me goosebumps to recall this incident. But it was possible only and only because we had such a nicely integrated team which could understand without saying. It just vibes into the thing, and that takes changes the outcome all the time.
Not only for intraoperative period, but we start meeting the patient in the preoperative clinics as well. So we establish a rapport right from the beginning.
Yeah.
So patient develops that trust. See, it is a major life-changing diagnosis that the patient has been diagnosed with. There are surgical challenges, there are financial challenges, there are emotional challenges. So to establish that rapport right from the beginning is not a job of one man. We need people.
And Shivani here, she becomes a friend, mother, or a sister to all the patients. She will know what is happening to them. She will know what their kids' birthdays are, or if a young patient what their anniversaries are. That kind of comfort zone, the patient gets. But it takes lots of headache from our head.
Absolutely, and you can always take some time away from your work also.
Yeah.
You always know there is somebody who is looking after your patient, so you can always go for a leave for
Very
3-4
important
days,
factor.
Exactly.
Yeah.
which is very important nowadays because it increases your efficiency.
Yes,
Yeah, available requires leaves, and suppose
Yeah.
if someone is practicing alone, then if he goes away for even 2 or 3 days, the patient care is compromised. But when you are working in a team, that care is not compromised because you trust someone who is looking after the patient in your absence, as good as you would have been doing. So it is also a great advantage to work in a team.
Like in our ICU, most of the places, what will happen, our operating surgeon has to write all the medicines and everything. In our team, you don't have to bother about that. I have done a surgery. I know my anesthesia team, they don't only do anesthesia. This is a misnomer, I will say. They are more efficient than an internal medicine guy. They manage the medicine part. They give the antibiotics, what painkiller has to be given, when the patient has to be mobilized. So all that gets improve the efficiency. That gets the patient home. And our average length of stay of the patient in the hospital, even for most complex surgeries, is not more than 4 days, which is at par with the world standard. So that's what we aim for, and that's what we strive for excellence. That's what our motto is. We strive for excellence all the time, every time.
Yeah, I still remember there was a case who came in emergency. I was about to start operating at 2 a.m. in the night. So I called up Manish, it looks like a complicated case. So we both were there together. So it actually helps in overall management of the patient.
collective decision making is very important, and that's why we're together.
हो जाएगा इसमें edit हो जाएगा
अच्छा
हाँ, ये सब
बोला
edit-
सबने
सबने अच्छा बोला।
सब we were
You are
very
pro